So we are doing the new poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. Rabindranath Tagore prays for a world without fear, one held together by freedom. Originally written in Bangla, it was translated into English by Tagore himself. So let's read the poem first. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Now, I will give you an explanation of this whole poem. Please listen carefully. Now, Rabindranath Tagore is dreaming here of a country which is truly free, where there is fearlessness in the minds of the people and where every person has got dignity and self respect. He is dreaming of a nation where knowledge is free and where everyone has a right to education, right to express themselves, and where there is no discrimination on the basis of creed, caste, gender, religion, etc., or any other factors. He wants a world where nations are not divided by boundaries. He wants every person to work tirelessly, effortlessly towards achieving his goal and help his country progress. So everyone is aspiring themselves to make their country free. Then Tagore also wants people to have a rational way of thinking, a logical way of thinking, which is free from superstitions, so that they are not misled by the wrong people on the wrong path. He wants people of his nation to be broad minded so that they do not give into superstitions, they not go into superstitions. Tagore is praying for a world from the God where people are led forward by God and live with peace and harmony with everyone. So here we come to the end of this poem. Thank you.